Hello students, welcome to BDS Canon classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. Okay, electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol. Okay, dear students, this substitution reaction of phenol is completed in following terms. Okay, number one, nitration. Okay, nitrogenization. Dear students, when phenol undergo nitration reaction with the help of dilute HNO3, that is nitric acid, formation of a mixture of ortho and para nitrogen takes place. Okay, so let's be see that what happens when phenol undergo reaction with dilute HNO3. Okay, formation of mixture of ortho and para nitrogen takes place. Okay, this is the 2-nitrophenol. This is the 4-nitrophenol. Okay, this is the IPC name of these compounds. So you can say that when phenol undergo nitration reaction in dilute HNO3, formation of a mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol or 2-nitrophenol and 4-nitrophenol takes place. This is a nitration reaction. But when in place of dilute nitric acid, we use concentrate nitric acid, formation of 2,4 and 6-trinitrophenol takes place. Let's be see. If we take concentrate nitric acid, then there is a formation of there is a formation of 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol takes place. Okay, so dear students, you can say that if concentrated nitric acid undergo nitration reaction with phenol, then formation of 2, 4 and 6 trinitrophenol takes place. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I hope that all of you understood that what are the nitration reaction of phenol. Okay, if dilute nitric acid undergo nitration with phenol, then it form a mixture of 2 nitrophenol and 4 nitrophenol, that is a ortho and para nitrophenol. But if concentrated nitric acid undergo nitration reaction with phenol, then formation of 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol takes place. Okay, let's we see next chemical property of the phenol, that is a halogenation. Okay, halogenation. Halogenation, this is the second chemical property of the phenol. Dear students, as the name suggests, halogenation means adding of halogen molecule, that may be bromine, chlorine and iodine, to the phenol. This is called as halogenation of the phenol. Means जब फिनॉल से हेलोजन ग्रुप ऐड होगा तो उसे हम हेलोजेनेशन रिएक्शन कहेंगे. ओके, और हेलोजेनेशन रिएक्शन भी 2 कंडीशन में होता है. ओके, नंबर 1, व्हेन फिनॉल अंडरगो हेलोजेनेशन, दैट इज ब्रोमिनेशन, in presence of loose acid, formation of mixture of ortho para halophenol takes place. Let's we see. जब कभी फिनॉल हेलोजेनेशन करता है तो वह क्लोरोफॉर्म की उपस्थिति में ऑर्थो ब्रोमोबेंजीन एंड पैरा ब्रोमोबेंजीन का फॉर्मेशन करता है. दिस इज ऑर्थो ब्रोमोबेंजीन एंड सिया पैरा ब्रोमोबेंजीन. ओके, इट इज माइनर इन क्वांटिटी, मेजर इन क्वांटिटी. ओके, so this is a mixture of orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Okay, or you can also give name, IPC name 2-bromophenol and 4-bromophenol. Okay, this is the first condition. But in second condition, when phenol undergo halogenation reaction with help of water, formation of 2, 4 and 6 ट्राइब्रोमोफिनॉल टेक्स प्लेस. जब कभी आपका फिनॉल लूस एसिड की अनुपस्थिति में ब्रोमिनेशन करता है, हैलोजिनेशन करता है, तो वह 2, 4 और 6 ट्राई ब्रोमोफिनॉल बनाता है। ओके, लेट्स बी सी इन सेकंड कंडीशन, सिया phenol that undergo reaction with 3 molecule of bromine, formation of formation of 2, 4, 6 tri bromophenol takes place. Okay, so you can see that this is a phenol that undergo bromination in absence of loose acid, formation of 2, 4, 6 tri bromophenol takes place. Okay, so in case of halogenation there are also two terms, that is halogenation reaction in presence of loose acid and halogenation reaction in absence of loose acid. Okay, in case of presence of loose acid, it form a mixture of orthobromophenol or 2-bromophenol and 4-bromophenol, but in case of absence of loose acid, it undergo formation of 2, 4, 6 tri-bromophenol takes place. Okay, so dear students, this is the halogenation reaction of the phenol. Let's be see next property, chemical property of the phenol, that is a reaction with zinc. Okay, reaction with zinc. This is the third chemical property of phenol, that is a reaction with zinc dust. Okay, dear students, when phenol undergo reaction with zinc dust on heating, formation of बेंजीन टेक्स प्लेस. मीन्स जब कभी आपका फिनॉल जिंक डस्ट से के साथ हीट किया जाएगा तो वह बेंजीन का फॉर्मेशन करेगा. लेट्स बी सी, दिस इज अ फिनॉल दैट अंडरगो रिएक्शन विद जिंक डस्ट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ benzene takes place. Okay, and removal of zinc oxide also takes place. Okay, so overall you can say that when phenol undergo reaction with zinc dust, then there is a formation of benzene takes place. Okay, so I hope that all of you understood that what are the reaction of phenol with zinc. Okay, तो जब कभी भी फिनॉल जिंक डस्ट से क्रिया करेगा तो वह बेंजीन का फॉर्मेशन करेगा. ओके, लेट्स बी सी नेक्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनॉल. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन फिनॉल अंडरगो ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्रोमिक एसिड, formation of a dark color PPT takes place, that is called as benzoquinone. जब कभी फिनॉल ऑक्सीकरण क्रिया करेगा क्रोमिक एसिड की उपस्थिति में तो वह एक डार्क कलर का प्रेसिपिटेट बनाएगा जिसे हम बेंजोक्विनोन कहते हैं. लेट्स बी सी the another chemical property of the phenol, that is reaction of phenol with oxygen or oxidation. Okay, so I already told you that when phenol undergo oxidation reaction in presence of chromic acid, formation of a dark color PPT, that is a benzoquinone takes place. Let's be see. Dear students, this is the benzene, as you know that contain OH group and called as phenol, means this is a phenol that undergo oxidation reaction in presence of chromic acid okay, in presence of chromic acid, formation of a dark colored PPT takes place, that is called as benzoquinone. Okay, that is called as benzoquinone. This is a dark colored PPT. Okay, so I hope that all of you understood that the benzoquinone is formed on undergoing phenol in oxidation reaction. So these are the some chemical properties of the phenol. Dear students, in my next video I will teach you about Kolbe reaction and Remer-Timmer reaction. So thank you, have a nice day.